My dear children, 2nd October is of great national importance for the country, as on this day, two great leaders were born on the Indian soil. First is Mahatma Gandhi, the pioneer of India's freedom struggle, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, were born on this day. Lal Bahadur Shastri always believed that self support and self reliance as the pillars to build a strong nation. Gandhi Jayanti is an event celebrated in India to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is one of the important national holiday of India. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. The real name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in Porbandar on the 2nd October 1869. After completing his initial education, Gandhiji made his way to London in order to study law. His aim was to become a barrister, and with his hand he achieved what he decided. He studied law in the University College of London in the year 1888. After that, he returned back to India. In South Africa, when Gandhiji was pushed off the train, that incident changed the course of his life. He took up the fight against racial oppression. His active non-violence started from that date and Satyagraha was born. On returning to India, he realized how the Indian population was suffering under the British Empire. He decided to lead a movement with the aim to have an independent nation. Gandhiji hoped the Charkha would assist the people of India achieve self-sufficiency and independence, that is called Atmanirbhar. Therefore, the Charkha is used as a symbol of the Indian independence movement and included it on earlier version of the flag of India. Gandhiji is very good example of Atmanirbhar. He went regularly to morning walk. He cooked his breakfast. Gandhiji helped in ashram kitchens that included utensils cleaning, washroom cleaning, and the surrounded area. All cleaning work he did on his own. He also helped in vegetable cutting, wheat grinding, and many more activities. Gandhiji made salt march, that also known as the salt satyagraha, Dandi march or Dandi satyagraha. This satyagraha show simple way for many Indians to break a British law. Through this march, Indians have authority to produce or sell the salt independently. Gandhiji's dress was very simple dhoti and sometimes a shawl. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence, that is non-hurting others. Thank you.